Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of Techcast by Mismo Systems, where we help you decode the digital future. Today, I am your host Porvinder, and we'll be diving into a topic that's redefining how businesses interact, automate, and scale. And it's all powered by artificial intelligence. So, the episode today is called Beyond the Bot. It's about creating intelligent business assistants with Microsoft Copilot Studio. Now, if you've ever dealt with a chatbot that gives you robotic answers or misunderstands your question or keeps you stuck in a loop of frustration, you are not alone. But what if we told you that there's a better way, a smarter way to create automation and bring AI into everyday business interactions? So that's what this episode is all about. Today's episode is all about going beyond the traditional bot. Now, let's start with the why. So, we are in a world where efficiency is no longer a buzzword, it's a necessity. Businesses are always under pressure to do more with less. They need faster responses, they need smarter tools, and AI solutions that can actually work for people. So that is where Microsoft Copilot Studio comes in. It's not just another chatbot builder, it's a low code AI development platform that lets you build, customize, and then finally deploy intelligent assistants that go far beyond just answering regular FAQs. They automate real business processes. So they integrate with Teams, they can integrate with Power Automate, with Power Apps, with your Outlook, OneDrive, your CRM, and more third party solutions. And the best part about all this is you don't have to be a developer to use this. So let's bust a myth. Not all bots are created equal. Bots of yesterday were basically just scripts in disguise. They followed strict rules, they had very little understanding, and they couldn't perform real actions. So, Copilot Studio changes the game, and here's how it does that. So, it uses generative AI with GPT to understand natural language in a human way. It can do multi turn conversations, so users can ask follow up questions naturally. And then it also integrates with Power Automate. So, the Copilot doesn't just talk, it acts from creating support tickets to updating a CRM. It can get things done on your behalf. So think of it as a smart assistant who knows your business, who can speak your language, and one which is available 24/7 right inside your Teams app or your website or a custom app that you're developing. Now let's bring it to life. What does this look like in action? So, the first example of a copilot can be an HR assistant, which the users can ask questions. So, imagine an employee asks, how many vacation days do I have left? And the copilot can pull that data from the HRMS and reply instantly. Need to apply for a leave? The copilot can trigger a Power Automate flow to do it in seconds on your behalf. Another example can be a sales assistant, where a sales rep can ask, get me the latest product brochure for healthcare clients, and the copilot can fetch it from SharePoint. It can also retrieve CRM data, it can schedule meetings, it can draft proposals using generative AI. Another example can be IT help desk, where employees can troubleshoot common issues like setting up printers or VPN errors or even resetting their password. And not just common issues, the agent can also help in cases of complex tickets. The copilot can escalate them with all the details already filled in. So whether you are in finance, in manufacturing, in education, or in retail, Copilot can be tailored to your needs. And let's not forget the customer facing bots embedded right on your website. which are capable of qualifying leads, answering product questions, and helping user navigate your services. So how do you build your own intelligent copilot? So here's a simplified roadmap. The first thing you need to do is define the problem, right? What tasks do you want your copilot to handle? Once you have a problem statement ready, the next thing you need to know is topics. So these topics, they are conversational triggers. These are what will trigger steps on behalf of the users. Now you can design them using Copilot's visual flow. And then once you have created your topics, you can add capabilities, AI capabilities into your Copilot. You can turn on generative answers for richer responses. Then you can integrate your own data. So whether it's on SharePoint, in Excel, in Dataverse, or even APIs, your Copilot can pull and process data from different sources. Now, to help the agent perform actions on your behalf, you can connect it with Power Automate. So you can make a Copilot trigger workflows like sending emails, filling forms, or updating systems. And once you've done all that, you can finally go ahead and deploy your Copilot, roll out to users inside Microsoft Teams, or embed it on a website, or connect it to your mobile apps, and then monitor with built-in analytics that can help you track usage, that can help you refine the performance of your agent. No complex code required, no expensive development cycles, just business-ready intelligence. Now let's talk about safety. So we've all heard the saying, right? With great power comes great responsibility. So with great AI comes great responsibility as well. So Copilot Studio is built within the Microsoft ecosystem. You you benefit from enterprise grade security, role-based access control, data loss prevention policies, audit logs, and monitoring. So everything is managed within your organization's compliance boundary. So no surprises there. Now to wrap it all up, Copilot Studio is more than a tool. It's an enabler of intelligent automation, personalized user experiences, and real-time support. And at Mismo Systems, we can help you go from concepts to reality. Whether you're looking to build your first Copilot or to scale an existing one, we are here to make it seamless, more secure, and even more successful. So thanks for tuning in to TechCast. If you found this episode helpful, please subscribe, share it with a colleague, and follow Mismo Systems on LinkedIn for more updates. Until the next time, keep exploring, keep building, and go beyond the bot.